How to sell stocks on Cash App Invest. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a tutorial on that. So let's just dive right in with the video and get started. Open up the Cash App application for that, and once it is opened, from the following interface, what you need to do is basically go ahead and look out for the stock section directly. So find the stock option from your home screen and tap on it, and there you'll be finding your stocks that is available here. When you scroll, you should be finding different options such as your investment, your stocks that you own. You can just go over and look out for the overview of your stocks in your Cash App. Now, in order to go ahead and buy it, what you can do is you can use the search. Usually at the very top you can find the search. You can tap on it, and when you do, you can search for this stock that you would like to buy. At the very top there are different categories: performance, advancement, etc. You can filter it out and type the kind of stock that you want to buy, and once you buy it up, this is a particular screen you should be finding. And within here, what we need to do is basically go ahead and look out for the option for buy. So tap on buy, and once we do, we can go ahead and buy up stocks. So if you want to buy $1, you can tap on $1 and tap on next, and there just go over and confirm it up. You can just go over and overview it up and tap on confirm and confirm it up, and you'll be purchasing a certain stock on your account. Tap on done, and you may view it on your cash balance. You'll be finding your stock balance being added on your main cash balance. Now if you want to sell it, you just need to go over and tap on stocks and find that particular stock that you just bought. And once you find it out, what you can do is basically tap on this option called sell. And once you do, you can overview the stock that you have and tap on confirm and confirm it up. And that way, your stock will be sold on the Cash App. And that's it. This is how you should be able to buy and sell stocks on Cash App application. So we hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.